How to increase hemoglobin in blood naturally. Hello everyone. Today we're going to speak about something very important to your health, your blood. We'll look specifically at ways to naturally increase hemoglobin. Keep going to find out how simple changes in what you eat, drink, and do may make a major impact in keeping your blood healthy. By the end, you'll have straightforward methods to boost hemoglobin levels and feeling healthier overall. Consume iron-rich foods. Boost your iron intake by including a wide range of foods in your diet. Fatty foods like chicken and beef give easily absorbed heme iron, and seafood like salmon and tuna offer additional nutrients. Vegetarians may use eggs, dried fruits such as figs and dates, and leafy greens like spinach and kale. Creating a colorful, rich in nutrients dish makes sure a wide range of important nutrients, promoting general health and helping in the production of hemoglobin. Whether you eat a piece of salmon or a nutritious spinach salad, each decision helps maintain your body's iron supplies. Increase vitamin C intake. Increase the use of vitamin C for better iron absorption. Include vitamin C-rich foods in your diet, such as oranges, strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli. These options not only offer a blast of taste, but they also have a beneficial impact, boosting iron intake in your body. By adding these tasty and nutritious foods into your diet, you can guarantee that your iron intake is not only plentiful, but also properly absorbed, so helping the improvement of your total hemoglobin levels. Consume folate-rich foods. Increase the production of hemoglobin by focusing on folic acid, an important vitamin B variation. Consume folate-rich foods such as spinach, peanuts, avocados, and kidney beans. These rich in nutrients options play an important role in promoting red blood cell maturity and making sure a strong and effective hemoglobin process. By including these folate-rich foods in your diet, you give your body with the key building blocks it needs for proper blood cell production, which helps maintain healthy hemoglobin levels. Stay hydrated. Hydration should be valued in order to maintain good blood flow and to promote a healthy heart. Good intake of water is important for making sure your blood transports oxygen properly throughout your body. By remaining hydrated, you increase the flexibility of your blood, allowing it to perform its critical job in oxygen delivery. This simple yet important technique not only improves the efficiency of your circulatory system, but also plays an important part in increasing overall cardiovascular well-being. Eat copper-rich foods. Copper is necessary for the production of hemoglobin and is a requirement for good blood health. Increase your copper intake by eating foods like nuts, seeds, and dark chocolate. These delicious choices not only provide variation to your palate, but also supply the crucial copper required for hemoglobin maintenance. Nuts and seeds in specific are simple and healthy snacks that help to general well-being by providing your body with the ingredients required for active hemoglobin production. To create a healthy blood profile, enjoy a variety of copper-rich meals. Exercise regularly. Add regular exercise into your daily routine to boost hemoglobin production, especially during physical activities with a high oxygen demand. For better overall health, aim for an equal amount of aerobic and strength training routines. Heart exercises such as jogging or cycling improve blood flow, allowing for more effective oxygen delivery. Meanwhile, strength training promotes muscular growth, allowing the human body to create more hemoglobin in order to meet higher oxygen demands. This perfect combination of activities not only promotes healthy hemoglobin levels, but also a strong and well-rounded method for general health and well-being. Thank you for joining us and learning about increasing your hemoglobin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more health hacks. See you again soon.